Hey guys, welcome back to another Animal Company game. Today we're going to beat the game with my friend Cooper and Hill Viking. He's going to AFK to do something. Okay, he's back. You guys need to go to app chat.
Hey.
Okay, say hey and tell them what we're doing today. Because they already know, but I just want...
We're beating the game.
Boom! Look at me, buddy! Look at me!
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
I got him.
Go!
Go! Go!
My eyes!
Just walk! Wait, where's the flashlight?
I have
Okay,
it.
follow. Give me it, give me it.
Take it!
Go, go, go!
Go!
Go as fast as I'm stuck.
Guys, I'm blinded. Go!
Go.
This way! Guys, where are you?
Go!
This way! Michael! Okay, don't touch the red ones.
Do not touch the red one.
Why?
They kill you. And don't fall into the abyss. Yeah, you got hit by a red one. Okay. Jump. Don't, Michael, don't risk it. Just follow Cooper. Follow Cooper.
So I'm going down?
Yeah, just drop down. Onto the blue one.
I'm not gonna make it. I made it.
Wait, did Cooper fall into the abyss or did he hit a red one?
He's not down here.
Did he fall into the abyss? Cooper, did you fall into the abyss? I think he did. He knows the way back.
How do I get over there?
Like, watch this, watch this. Hit.
Made it.
Cool. I guess we're not gonna be able to beat the game today, since Cooper, do you copy? I'm out of stun guns. Banana. Okay, just follow me. There's the mimic in here.
The mimic?
He's right here. Did you see him? Did you see him?
Yeah.
Okay, just follow me.
Are we going to attack him?
I don't have a weapon.
I think I do. Come on. I haven't really gotten a chance to check my bag.
Yeah. Okay, give me this. Put these back. No, give me this. Okay, hold my flashlight. They were all blowing us up. Well, we're gonna end the video here. Make sure to like and subscribe for part 2.